Hello kids! Good morning! Welcome to Pherl TV. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you Ate Shasha's Alphabet Dictionary book, okay? As you can see, I have here the booklet of my little girl, Ate Shasha, okay? So I'm going to share this to you before this become a stock book here, okay? So our topic today, part 1, is Alphabet Dictionary. This is a credit. I bought this book in a national bookstore, I think, okay? So let's start with letter A. What are the words that starts with letter A? A. Astronaut. Aeroplane. See? Aeroplane. Aeroplane. Astronaut. Apple. 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 Repeat after me. Apple. Alligator. Alligator. Ant. 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 Look. Ant. Anchor. Anchor. Look, anchor. B. Broccoli. Broccoli. B. Bread. Bread. Butterfly. Butterfly. Ball. Look at the ball. It's so cute. Beetle. Beetle.
Bicycle.
Bicycle. Bicycle. Okay. Letter C. Camera. Camera. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. Can. Can. Cow. Cow. Computer. Computer. Car. How do we call this? Car. Cute cat. Hello, cat. 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 Repeat after me. Cat. 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 D. Arf, 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 arf. Dog. Dog. Duck. 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 Donkey. Donkey. Drum. Drum. Do you know how to play drum, kids? Dinosaur. Dinosaur. A doctor. Doctor. A doctor. Okay? So, bye for now, kids. Let's wait for the E and G. Okay? Bye-bye.